We're living in a time shaped by division and uncertainty, and we often feel unable to do anything about it. But I believe that each of us has a responsibility and the ability to make a difference. Americans don't wait. We march, we organize, we volunteer, and we give. Ordinary citizen can change the moral direction of a country.
I think this was a wonderful event. I felt so connected to everyone in the room, and I didn't know everyone in the room. But Mr. Ghosh really made the room feel like family. I feel inspired to keep working in Birmingham and to do good wherever I go.
Neil Ghosh has been ahead of the curve for over 2 decades, championing community, civic engagement, and integration, long before they became part of the national conversation.
Empathy is part of America's DNA. Our history has shown repeatedly when we come together, there's nothing, absolutely nothing we cannot do. One of the most important lessons I learned from Dalai Lama is simple. Unity does not require uniformity. So when trust erodes, automatically fear and division goes up. This is your country, so you must be an engaged citizen. So this afternoon, don't live with inspiration. Live with one decision, one act of generosity, one small bridge with someone that you may not agree. It requires courage, and it requires all of us. When the whole world is silent, even one voice becomes powerful. Each and every one of you have that power. Just do it. We are not doing this alone. We don't need to agree on everything to do something together. This is our ripple effect.